Hi, welcome to the Mandrill monthly minute minute video diary for December 2019. And this month we finally got something released. And here is how it went.
Now you take the first steps. La-da-dee-da-dee-da-da-down. Your heartfelt lies.
So yes, we finally got a song released. That's the first time in about 3 years, I think.
A smile to make a sad man lift his head up is the greatest gift. I'm ready. I'm totally ready to start something so brand new. Something fresh.
Wishing you a happy new year. All of Mandrill Land. May 2020 be great for you. My New Year's resolution is to finish more of these Mandrill songs and get them out there into the big world. You can see the full Mandrill diary and support us Mandrills by going to www.patreon.com/mandrillland, where you can sign up for it and get 80 minutes of footage from December, and most months like could be 80 minutes as well. Full-length DVD every month. Fantastic. In little chunks for you to enjoy as it goes. Nice. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.